Grandma, it's cold.
Grandma, don't talk to her while she's videotaping. He's taping you. We'll watch it back in a minute. What does the cow say? What does the cow say?
Boo.
Good. What does the dog say?
Like I even told the guy, I said, the only problem with getting Lincoln
What does the cat say?
Cadillac is if something happens to it, the repairs are a little more expensive than any other
What does the duck say?
The parts are a little more expensive. Yeah.
Quack. Say quack, quack. What does the duck say, Annalise?
But then it also depends on the miles
Quack,
on the
quack.
car too.
What does the cow
And
say?
that might be why it's so low.
What does the cow say? You're not looking at yourself. Moo, you sound so pathetic.
It's like a blank space.
Look at you. It's you.
Your hair's so cute.
You showing your juice? Say juice. Say juice. Can you say juice? Say juice, good, but just say juice. Juice. What color is this, Annalise?
Man, he's young.
What color is this?
We were just watching Small World.
It's a cell phone, yeah? What color? Can you say green? Green.
Boss Hog's dead, so I guess I know.
No.
Green, good. Okay, let's see. What color is your cup?
I think that's both. Blonde hair?
Oh,
Grandma, what color is her cup?
orange.
Or is it yellow?
Orange.
Can you say orange? Orange? And what color was this? It's okay. Did you say sorry because it fell? It's okay. What color is this?
4800. Another one sells 39
Green.
for 2000. You just don't know.
Green. What color is this? It is your juice. But is it orange?
I mean,
Orange?
It looks like that's
It's the color. The color is orange.
Why would they have it
Say juice.
$3,000 less than
Juice,
everyone else has?
She could say breakfast.
Say breakfast.
Analyze.
Tell the camera breakfast.
Analyze. Go bunny. Go breakfast.
No, not together. Say cereal for breakfast.
Hey, bunny is breakfast.
Cereal.
Are you recording that?
Poof. What's the cow say?
Moo.
You're done. You have to tell it bye-bye. Did you tell it bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Tell it bye-bye.
I can't. I'm drinking.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're waving? I see you waving. Bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye? You want to push the button? You can push the button only because I told you one time.